So in this question, we've been told that a group of 20 teachers were asked how many coffees they have a day. And the results are shown below here with our numbers. So construct a box plot to determine the 5-number summary and comment on any outliers. I'm going to jump over here to my CAS. So to start off, go to Home. Then go down here so we can move down like this. Move across to that one, Lists and Spreadsheets. So click on that. Now, first thing, move up, and in that spot there, where the A is, write what this is. So I'll say coffees. In this one here, don't put anything. Then I just go down and I enter all the data. So the first value is 3 there, then 4, then 6, 2, 3, 6, 0, 1, 7, 16. That's a massive number. Coffees every day. 5, 7. We've got 8 there, then 9, then 7 again. 5, 2, 1, 0, 4. Now when you finish typing in your numbers, just double check what the number of data value should be. So the fact that it says 20 teachers, I should see that I've got 20 values entered like so. All my data is entered. Now I'm going to set this up on a box plot. So I go to Home again, and this time I'm going to go to this one across, Data and Statistics. So your page should look like this. Lots of dots randomly spread out on the page. I need to let it know I want to use the data from coffees. Now remember when I labeled this one, I labeled it coffees up here. That means that's what I'm going to put here. And you can see they all move like that. And then I go Menu, Plot Type, and a box plot. Great. So this is what our box plot looks like. And I'm just going to quickly pop it over here so that we can look at it. Now, we were asked to create a box plot. So this is that there. And then determine the 5-number summary. Now the 5-number summary is the minimum value. Then it is quarter 1. The first quarter, then quarter 2, which is the same as the median, and then quarter 3, and then we've got our maximum value. Right, so this is where I go over here. My minimum value is 0. My quarter 1, so that's represented by this first line here, and you can even see it actually labels Q1, 2. So 2. Now my median, so my middle value is 4.5. So 4.5 is the middle value of coffees that this group of teachers are having every day. Now quarter 3, we've got 7 there, so I'll just pop that in as quarter 3. Now maximum. This dot over here, this dot that's separated from the rest of the box plot, that is an outlier. It's still classified as the maximum, even though it is an outlier. And the question asked me to comment on any outliers. So there is an outlier of 16 in this data set. Okay, that's it.